Welcome back to day 20 of our 100 Days of Java series. So far, we learned about inheritance and overriding. Now let's unlock a superpower of Java, polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? The word polymorphism literally means poly is many, morph is forms. It means the same thing can take many forms. For example, a payment can be done by Apple Pay, Google Pay, UPI, card or cash. But no matter how you pay, the action is always the same, making the payment. There are two types of polymorphism, static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism is the compile time polymorphism. It uses method overloading. Same method name but different parameter list. Example, making a payment by amount only or amount and discount. Dynamic polymorphism is the runtime polymorphism. It uses method overriding. Which version of the method runs depends on the object you create at the runtime. Example, payment through UPI, card, cash, Google Pay, Apple Pay, all these things. The make payment method behaves differently at the runtime. So let's write the code for it. Let's have a parent class payment, void make payment double amount, system.out.println paying dollar plus amount. Static polymorphism. Void make payment double amount string coupon, system.out.println paying dollar plus amount plus using coupon plus coupon. Let's have a child class for card. Class card payment extends payment. Override void make payment double amount system.out.println paid dollar plus amount plus using card. Child class for cash. Class cash payment extends payment. Override void make payment double amount system.out.println paid dollar plus amount in cash. Public class polymorphism demo. Public static void main string args. Static polymorphism. Payment base equal to new payment. Base dot make payment 50. Base dot make payment 100. Discount 10. Dynamic polymorphism. Payment P1 equal to new card payment. Payment P2 equal to new cash payment. P1 dot make payment 200. P2 dot make payment 300. And the output will be paying $50, paying $100 using coupon discount 10, paid $200 using card, paid $300 in cash. Static polymorphism is the method overloading, which is decided at the compile time. Dynamic polymorphism is the method overriding, which is decided at the runtime based on the object.